ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಲೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸ. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ March 07, 2024, Class 5, Thursday. Note, please practice and record video about the clothes 2 times. Submit the video in Flip app under your group. Please refer to the table for the meaning of the new words. Assignments in English. My name is Atharva. We eat dinner together. Please change the name to your name, okay? Number 2. My shirt has 5 buttons. Number 3. My uncle wears mundu having golden color border. Number 4. Elder sister wants long silk skirt and top. Its translation in Tulu. Number 1. Enna pudaru atharva. Enkulu ottugu ratreda vanasu malpuva. Dinner is ratreda vanasu. Number 2. Enna angidu ayin gubbilu ulla. Number 3. Enna mama ಬಂಗಾರದ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಅರುತ್ತ ಮುಂಡು ತುತ್ತುವೇರು. ಎನ್ನ ಮಾಮ ಬಂಗಾರದ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಅರುತ್ತ ಮುಂಡು ತುತ್ತುವೇರು. ನಂಬರ್ 4. ಅಕ್ಕಗು ರೇಷ್ಮೆದ ಉದ್ದ ಲಂಗ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಅಂಗಿ ಬೋಡುಗೆ. New words and its meaning in English and in Tulu. Okay? Uncle, mama. Eat, unpunu, tinpunu. Dinner, ratreda vanasu. Sometimes it's also called as bayyada vanasu. Together, ottugu. Wear, paadunu. Top, shirt, angi. Button, gubbi. Golden, bangarda. Mundu, mundu. Border, aru. Silk, reshme. Skirt, langa. Want, bodu. Thank you. Please submit your homework and have a great day. Bye.